So 20,000. So meaning parang street ano lang to, no? Drug personality. Tama?
Hindi lang po drug personality. Sometimes those habitual offenders or recidivists na involved in mga akyat bahay, hold up, or snatching.
Pati ganon, merong rewards? Pag kasama ba sa rewards yung mga napapatay, naakyat bahay?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. So parang naano rin ako doon, ano? Pati yung mga ganong petty.
Those
Na mga-
Your Honor, those
Pati yung mga petty
identified,
crime na ganon, akyat bahay, theft,
Your Honor, it appears to be petty, but these are habitual
habitual.
and recidivist po.
Okay, pero siyempre 'di ba sa terms of engagement, sana wala namang pinapatay, hinuhuli at pinapanagot sa justisya.
Yes, Your Honors.
Okay. So, as a commander, station commander, alam mo tong nangyayaring ito na legitimate operation, may napapatay. Meron bang na-inquest or na-demanda ng mga pulis involved doon sa pagkamatay ng mga suspects?
Wala akong maalala, Your Honor.
Why? 'Di ba as a station commander, 'di ba dapat accountable ka or what you have the obligation na since may namatay, whether whether it is ay talamak na akyat bahay or whatever yung kaso, 'di ba dapat pag may namamatay may inquest or merong investigation?
Yes, Your Honor, supposed to be if there is a discharge of firearms or death of the suspect, the IAS is mandated under Republic Act 8551 to conduct a automatic investigation.
Did you not recommended any investigation to the IAS?
I cannot because it is my unit who is involved. Supposed to be, it is a automatic duty of the IAS as mandated in RA 8551. Basta po may discharge of firearm, may death, or meron pong violation of human rights like seriously injured yung suspect. There's no need for a memo requesting the IAS to investigate. Under the law po, it is automatic.
So it is automatic that the IAS would investigate.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pero as a commander, station commander, you have the duty to recommend, sabihin sa IAS na itong mga pulis na ito, nakapatay ng suspect, you have to investigate.
Hindi po ganun how it works. We are just required to submit IR and the complete folder, and the crime scene is always processed by SOCO. Para kung may investigation, the crime scene is preserved and all evidence po ay ma-preserve.
Well, hindi naman ganun yung nangyayari, no? So, yun dapat na, kaya nga tayo nagkakaroon ng investigation in aid of legislation dito, no? Para mabago yung ganung sitwasyon. Kasi nasabi natin, any operations of the police, kung may namatay, whether police yan or suspect, dapat ay may investigation, automatic, at the least, recommended by the station commander. But anyway, Mr. Chair, in number 7, while you are in the station or as a station commander of Sasa Police Station, naka-receive ka ng call from Police Lieutenant Colonel Padua. Then, the intelligence officer of Bato de la Rosa, who was the city director of Davao at that time. Ano tong call na to? Can you describe? Ano po ito?
The call pertains to, he informed me that there will be a entrapment operation which will be conducted in my area of responsibility, particularly in Malagamot, Barangay Malagamot, Your Honor.
Okay. Anong operation ito?
I think it is a entrapment operation, parang may swindling ata o fraud na activity po yung suspect.
So, again, may namatay na naman.
Yes,
Tama
Your
pa?
Honor.
Tama po ba? So, ano nangyari? Naimbestigahan ba to?
Na-process po ng SOCO at na-preserve naman po yung evidence. But since it is a implied, understandable po.
So, again,
So it is,
kapag operation, so-called legitimate operations, pag may namamatay, walang nananagot sa mga namamatay.
that call,
Kahit na inimbestigahan po. Tama?
it appears to be that way po, Your
Parang,
Honor.
Mr. Chair, parang automatic dito, no? Kapag may operation, legitimate or not, may nabatay, just may report lang, and then kung iimbestigahan ng IAS, hanggang doon na lang.
Your Honor,
Opo.
unless po the relatives of the victim will file cases po.
Okay. Pero hindi lang ganon. Kasi tayo po as government official, may responsibilidad tayo sa anumang nangyayari sa ating mamamayan. Lalong-lalo na ang mga pulis, di ba? To serve and protect yung ating mga kababayan. Kahit na kriminal yan o hindi, you serve and protect. And to give justice, di ba? Or kung nagkaroon ng excessive force or whatever, di ba? So, so tingin mo merong mali doon sa sistema, sa police as regards to that,
Yes, Your Honor.
na kailangan natin baguhin yung ano, no?
It is true, Your Honor.
Okay. Ito po bang Police Lieutenant Colonel Padua nasa service pa rin?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So ito rin meron din dito isa na namang parang operations sa Sasa, barangay captain, nag-report ng akyat bahay. Ano po ang nangyari dito? Pakikwento nga po, Colonel.
Yes po, that is a legitimate operation. The barangay captain was also there during the operation, and meron din pong media who was also present, and there was an actual engagement. Buhay po yung isang suspect dyan, pero pagdating po sa hospital, mga siguro 5 to 10 minutes after namatay din. And then may isa po na nakatakbo, pero may sugat po. And nagkaroon po yan ng reward when the suspect eventually died in the hospital po.
So sinasabi mo dito nakatanggap ka ng 20,000 na reward?
Yes po.
Okay. So ito na yung sinasabi nating reward, no? Doon sa kwento mo about the reward. So tinanggap mo itong 20,000.
Yes po, itinawag po kasi. Binibigay
Saan po galing itong 20,000 na rewards? Sinabi mo kay Boy Alce,
Yeah,
Sergeant, from Sergeant Suan, provided by Boy Alce. Sino po ba tong mga to?
Boy Alce is a retired police officer. Kilala po siya sa area ng Sasa. And when such incident happens in Sasa, he was the one providing the amount through Sergeant Suan. Unfortunately po, si Sergeant Suhan was killed, I think 3 years ago, when he was on board a taxi po, pauwi siya, binaril po siya. And Boy Alce also died po of, I think may sakit na rin po yan, namatay na rin po.
Sa tingin mo, yung pumatay kay Sergeant Suan ay yung nagbibigay ng reward? Or work nung nagbibigay ng reward?
Ay naging suspicious po ako because they said that Sergeant Suan was engaged in illegal drug activities, parang protector or something, and yun, nabaril po siya, namatay po nung sumakay siya ng taxi pa uwi sa bahay nila. I think it is a unsolved crime din po. sa Davao.
Okay. So, yung Boy Alce, no, yung retired police officer. So, ibig sabihin, Mr. Chair, meron na tayo ditong example na talagang may reward. Example natin si Colonel Garma herself na tumanggap ng reward based on this mga operations. Right?
Yes, Your Honor.